Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I want to introduce you to a sweet little opportunity I stumbled across, and let me tell you, this thing converts extremely well using free traffic. It's called the 30-Minute Workday, and it is 100% free to join. I tested it out by placing some free ads, and here are my results. As you can see, I joined on September 5th. Here's my welcome email, and if you look up here, it's 5 days later, I got my first sale. Then I got 5 signups in 1 day right here, and then another sale on October 10th. I got a couple more signups, and then another sale on October 13th. And the signups, they just keep rolling in. Since it does so well with free advertising, I plan to purchase traffic and then just see what my numbers will be using paid advertising. Okay, now I'm logged into my back office, and as you can see, there are 3 phases of training that is provided to all members. Phase 1 is where you set up your advertising system, and each section in this list contains a video and also an action step that shows you exactly what to do before going on to the next step. So make sure you don't skip ahead and you go through each section in order so that you set up the system properly. Now, for those of you who want to promote the 30-Minute Workday, just click this button to begin with step 1. Watch the video, complete the action step, and then scroll down and click continue to next step. But for those of you who are already working with an opportunity and you only want the free training, you can click this button that says, I just want to learn for free. And again, you will watch the video, scroll down, and then click this button to begin phase 2. After you completed the phase 2 training, you can move on to phase 3. And this is where you learn how to multiply the money that you've been making from phases 1 and 2. The Tools and Training button includes additional sales funnels you can set up to promote the 30-Minute Workday, which is an ebook that looks like this, and a long sales funnel that looks like this. As you can see, it goes into greater detail about each of the phases of training, and it also includes what's inside the system. Now keep in mind that all of this is 100% free, and after you complete the phase 1 training, you can come over here where it says get your traffic, and this is where you send traffic to your funnel. All you have to do is just scroll down, choose option number 1 or 2, and then click the link that says push to get traffic now under whichever traffic option you choose, and it'll automatically schedule traffic to be sent to your sales funnel. These videos will show you exactly how to do this. Now, after you order traffic, you can scroll down and click this button to get to your daily action steps. Now, even though this is a 100% free opportunity, there are 2 optional tools that come with this system. Okay, the first one is a GetResponse autoresponder, which is free for the first 30 days. After that, you can sign up for a $15 a month subscription, and you'll earn back $4.95 a month for each person that you refer. Now, if you have another autoresponder that you use, like Aweber, for example, you can incorporate that into the system as well. The other tool that we use is a capture page builder called the HBA Funnel Builder. Now, this system runs for $25 a month, but you'll earn back $20 a month from each referral. Now, both of these tools are already built into the 30-Minute Workday system, and it's part of the phase 1 action steps, so that's where you'll set them up. While I was going through the training, I started getting paid signups within days, and I hadn't even purchased any traffic yet. All these leads and sales came from free ads. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you want to get a free copy of this system and check out the training for yourself, then you can just click the button below this video or either click the link in the description. I look forward to working with y'all, and I'll see you next time.